Hey guys, this is just a real short video on how to install the reverse switch for your backup camera. I have a back camera and a front camera. So normally when you put your car in reverse, it sends this 12-volt signal to your head unit. Depending on how you have it set up, it could get the 12-volt signal from the reverse light itself. It could be pre-wired for your car. There's a couple different factors. Ultimately though, what I did is I just ran a 12-volt wire directly from the battery. Well, I have other stuff installed, but it goes 12-volt in, and then one of them's the ground, and then when you hit the switch, it works and the car's off. It sends a 12-volt up to the head unit. That's it. So when the head unit gets that 12-volt signal, it flips on into reverse. Now, when I put the car in reverse normally, it doesn't go into the backup cam. I just hit the switch and it flips on. So super easy to install. The benefit is you can use it any time. Sometimes you're reversing and I don't need the camera. So I like having the switch. It seems to work. And like I said, I have two cameras. So when I hit the switch, the front camera and the backup camera go on, and through the head unit, I hit a button and it flips between cameras. Okay.